My name is Gary Franco. I'm the owner of Gary Franco's Plumbing and Propane. Since 2015, we've provided commercial, residential, and industrial services throughout the state of Connecticut. We've grown significantly in the 5 years that we've been in business to be able to start a propane company that is growing as well. We're trying to be more personable, second to none in customer service. From new construction to older homes, we do industrial and commercial applications as well. The reason that people should come to us is because of how personable we are with all our customers. Contact us today with all your propane and plumbing needs.